A Manila court finds Peter Joemel Advincula or Bikoy guilty of perjury in connection with his accusation that 3 human rights lawyers were part of an ouster plot against then-President Rodrigo Duterte. Our justice reporter Tech Torres Tupas fills us in with the details live. Tech?
A Manila court has reached a verdict in the case of Peter Joemel Advincula, also known as Bikoy, finding him guilty of perjury. This verdict is in relation to Advincula's previous accusation that 3 human rights lawyers were involved in a plot to remove then-President Rodrigo Duterte from office. Advincula has been sentenced to a maximum penalty of 1 year imprisonment. The perjury case was initiated based on a complaint filed by lawyers from the Free Legal Assistance Group, namely Jose Manuel Sheljokno, Lorenzo Tañada III, and Tio Dorte. In 2019, Advincula had accused these 3 lawyers of being part of a supposed plot called Project Sodoma, which aimed to oust President Duterte. The lawyers purportedly met with other opposition members on March 4, 2019 at Leung Hall in Ateneo de Manila University. Both Diokno and Tañada stated that they were attending the Leader I Want Senatorial Forum at Ateneo de Manila University on the said date, but they never encountered Advincula at the venue. Teo, on the other hand, confirmed that he met Advincula on May 2, 2019, but their meeting was solely to evaluate Advincula as a potential client for FLAG and not in relation to Project Sodoma. After the meeting, Te informed Diokno about his concerns regarding Advincula's credibility. The Manila Court considered Advincula's use of the word kami or us to imply his presence during the March 4, 2019 meeting. Based on the evidence presented, the court found that Advincula deliberately presented false information, satisfying the required burden of proof for perjury conviction. Advincula's statements led to the PNP-CIDG filing of a sedition complaint against more than 2 dozen opposition figures, including then Vice President Leni Robredo, religious leaders, and human rights lawyers. However, the Justice Department later dismissed most of the complaints, including the one against the former Vice President. Neil?
That's Tech Torres Tupas reporting live.